Very important that you clean your cabin or house heater. Clean the exhaust vent from the outside because a lot of dirt and dust accumulates in here. So we just removed the two stainless steel screws, this one and that one, and now we'll just pull off the vent. We did blow a bit of air, compressed air in there before, and we did notice there was some debris in there, so we'll just pull out the exhaust and have a look. I don't know if you saw that something just fell out. That's the problem. See, the thing is, insects, spiders, wasps, bees, all these insects tend to go in there and make little nests in there. So it's very important that you clean out this whole area. Just with compressed air, but if you don't have compressed air, you can use a vacuum and a brush, that's fine as well. So give that a good clean, and once that's cleaned out, put your vent in. Some of the vents you would require to seal this off, so you will want to put a sealant around here, but you'll have to consult your owner's manual or visit a local workshop to find out what's the right type and what's the right material to be used around your vent. So for this particular hot air heater, we've used high temperature sealant, normally used for automotive applications. So you just put a bead there, you just let it flash off for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can go ahead and screw it back in after thoroughly cleaning that whole area inside. Because you have to bear in mind, make sure before touching any of this or blowing any of this that this whole area is cool, that you're not use the heater. That's very important. For those who are curious to know, I'll take you inside now and just show you what the heater looks like on the inside. So this is your control panel for the hot air heater. You might find that familiar. And this is the actual hot air heater itself. They're the hydro flame furnace type units. Very common in earlier motorhomes and camper vans. So like we showed you earlier, you just want to make sure you thoroughly clean that area outside in the exhaust vent, and when it comes time to use it in winter, you will have a good functioning heater with no issues. So we showed you what to do on the outside with the heater, and I'll just show you what to do on the inside as well. This is also quite important. You want to do this at least once a year, because a lot of dust and dirt and debris gets into here. So open the screw, like so. Then with this particular type of heater, you want to lift up and pull out. It's just got this lip here. This one's already been cleaned, but you want to clean everything in here. Just use a vacuum and a soft brush. Just give everything good dust and clean. Once that's done, then you can close it off. Put the grill back and put the screw back in. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope it was of some help to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. Thanks, everyone.